How to create and fill forms. Some advanced features. Click Tools, then select Form. Select the field you want to copy. On the top toolbar, hit Create Multiple Copies. Set how many copies you need horizontally and vertically. Adjust the size and position as needed. Remember, your copies can't be larger than the current page. When you're ready, click OK. And you're done! Select the fields you want to align. On the top toolbar, click the Align button. You'll find 8 different alignment options. Pick the one that works best for you. When you need to clear the filled content in a form, click More on the top toolbar. In the panel, choose Clear Form. Please note, this action cannot be undone. Click Continue to remove all form data. When you want to export or import form data, simply select the options in the same panel. The file format will be UPDF. Now download UPDF for free to give it a try.